How to fix EA app not launching games. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix EA app not launching games. In this tutorial, I will teach you one way to do this. First thing we have to do is to run EA Launcher as an admin. To do this, we're going to right-click on EA Launcher and then click on Properties. In this window, click on Compatibility. Check Run this program as an admin. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Next, clear EA Apps cache files. To do this, click on Windows plus R on your keyboard and then type in %local app data %. Press Enter or click OK. In the Open tab, find Electronic Arts and EA Desktop. Delete both of these folders. The third step that we're going to do is to check the user variables. Right-click on the Windows icon and then click on System. Then, click on or search Advanced System Settings. After that, click on Environment Variables. If you see game_data_dir in the user variables, delete it. Next, change your clock settings. To do this, go to Search and open Control Panel. Click on Clock and Region, then click on Region. Click on Administrative tab, then change System Locale. In this window that appears, check this little box beside the beta right here. Click on OK. Then restart your PC. And that's it. Once your PC turns on, check if the problem is fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!